Good day! My name is Joanna Quizon de la Carcel. I am 44 years old and I live at Malasiki, Pangasinan, Philippines. I am a high school graduate at Malasiki National High School. I am a single parent with one son who is 6 years old. To my dear future employers, I am compassionate and dependable caregiver and a babysitter with 11 years of experience in Israel, Cyprus, Qatar, and Hong Kong. Skilled in elderly care, child supervisions, and full household management. Known for patience, strong work ethic, and the ability to build trust with families. Now seeking a stable and rewarding position in a caring household or facility where I can continue providing excellent service and support. Experience abroad. I work as a caregiver in Israel 2006 to 2012. I provided compassionate care for an elderly client including personal hygiene, mobility assistance, and medication reminders. Prepared nutritious meals, assisted with light housekeeping to maintain a safe environment. I offered emotional support, companionship, and daily conversation to enhance clients' well-being, monitored health conditions. In 2012 to 2014, I worked as a domestic helper in Cyprus. I managed daily household chores including cleaning, laundry, ironing, and organizing. I cooked meals for the family, cared for the children during employer's absence, handled grocery shopping, and maintained household inventory. I ensured the home remained clean, comfortable, and well-maintained. In 2017 to 2019, I worked as a housemaid in Qatar. I performed deep cleaning tasks in all areas of the home, including bathrooms and kitchen. I managed laundry services, including ironing and folding clothes, ran errands such as shopping and picking up household supplies. I prepared simple meals and assisted in food preparation when needed. I maintained daily cleanliness and sanitation standards throughout the home. In 2019 to 2021, I worked as a domestic helper in Hong Kong. I took full charge of household cleaning, laundry, ironing, and grocery shopping. I cooked daily meals and prepared lunch boxes for the children. I provided after-school care, homework assistance, and supervision. I managed household schedules and routines independently. To my dear future employers, if you will hire me, you will not regret because I am loving, caring, loyal, and trustworthy. Thank you. Good day.